So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to debloat the MIUI 14. As you all know, we have received the MIUI 14 update with tons of bloatware. Like, let me just show you the Opera browser cannot be deleted, and that just uses up some space, and we have so many softwares installed and which is not required for us. We can also uninstall them by a simple method. Let me just show that to you. Now, for that you need to head into your settings and additional settings, and then go to your developer options. To turn on your developer options, you need to go to your about phone, detailed info and specs, and then you'll have to click your MIUI version up to 7 times until you're a developer. Once that is done, you can go to additional settings, developer options, and then scroll down to USB debugging, and then click on OK. And you'll have to connect your phone to your PC with the cable provided by Xiaomi. And this is a method. This doesn't need any root access. You just need a PC with yourself, and now in your PC, you'll have to download the Debloat MIUI RAR, and you have to extract them, and you have to go into the folder. You'll be finding 2 folders like this. First, you'll be needing Java for this, so you have to be installing Java setup. Click on yes. Click on next, and this is gonna install Java Oracle into your PC. So once that is done, we can close this and we can open the ADB setup, and open the ADB setup in this. We can close the zip, and we have to click on, do you want to install ADB and fastboot? Yes. Do you want to install ADB system wide? Yes. Do you want to install device drivers? Yes. Finish. Now the program will be automatically closed, and now all we have to do is just open the Xiaomi ADB fastboot tools.jar, and then click on open with Java. Just wait for the program to open, and once the file is opened, you'll have to wait for your phone to get a prompt like this saying that allow USB debugging, and then click on OK. Now it says connected in ADB mode. So here we can find the uninstaller, reinstaller, disabler, enabler. You can disable the apps you want and enable them, and you can reinstall the app which you have mistakenly uninstalled. So now let's go check for the bloatware. We have yellow pages. I don't be needing that, and we don't need the scanner, quick ball, quick apps. I'm not gonna need these apps, so I'll be deleting them. You know, there are a bunch of Google apps which you can never uninstall. So this is gonna like save up 2 GB in your phone. The main apps is the get apps, so we can uninstall this one to get rid of all other apps. So that is all. We can click on uninstall, click on yes. Now each app gets uninstalled and gives a success message, and once they are done, you can be seeing the apps starts disappearing in this place. So the number of apps that are reduced. Now in case you have uninstalled app by mistake, so we can head into the reinstaller. Now let me just select some app which I might need. So let me just select the India Google Pay, and then click on reinstall. So that's gonna reinstall the app, and you're gonna get it here back again, and you'll get a scanning in your phone that the app is being installed. So if you don't want it, you can just uninstall it right away from here again. So now we don't find the Opera browser in this list, which isn't a problem. Now we can type cmd and then open it run it as administrator, and then type adb devices, And we can, once we see our device is attached, we can type adb uninstall and then paste the package name of the Opera browser, which is com.opera.browser.fn, and then click on enter. And now it's gonna say success. Now let's check if the app is uninstalled. As you can see, the app is completely uninstalled and we cannot see it. The Opera browser is uninstalled. So this is how you uninstall bloatware in MIUI 14, and you have probably cleared up more than 1 GB of space. That's pretty nice. And so if this video helped you on how to uninstall bloatware, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.